Walking there, I don't know. Begging me into this man.
Man of God, deliver me.
Almost here fine now.
Jesus. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus Christ. Blood of Jesus.
Watch us clean
Blood of Jesus.
and see what we
Man of God,
demonstrate
deliver me.
as
Man of God,
power.
deliver me.
That's why we're here.
Man of God, deliver me. Blood of Jesus Christ. Man of God, deliver me. Man of God, deliver me. Man of God, deliver me.
It's not a show.
Man of God, deliver me, please. Man of God, please deliver me. Man of God, please deliver me. Man of God, please deliver me.
I am a man of actions. Fit on me when I'm moving in my actions. That's
Man of God, deliver me. Man of God, deliver me.
devil. Can you go devil now? Child. Don't do because I do. Abracadabra.
From then, Keka Kunjob, and I be your bell, Nina, your nisim. Ye can a beck and I
for now your bell.
Don't know, Pastor.
Pastor.
I have bell.
Get phone a kumbo now your bell.
Yellow, so I don't want to see one. I say, for out.
Oh, suppose. A man cousin cannot check or couldn't see your bell.
So, okay, now is your son. The
what does your way?
What you come on in the blood of Jesus. So my mom was that my auntie son and he and Wapuane.
Hey.
So my auntie rush what I told you, but immediately na beba.
Or is it the church that they cut your hair?
Like that's in the make up with me, Sikamara and Kenaya, I'm going to Ghana.
Okay, no car, we're going to get Sikamaro. Hey. And a cabin to give you what I got that Sunday.
Village in that same church. What is so one day past the ban? Pastor Sana, Ika Buana, Bekatago, Ika Buana, Amalia, and maybe at bottom.
Oh, the pastor after popping your hair and everything, he said he's tired that they should take you away.
And Abekatago.
Can you defend the pastor?
Yes, I'm mal because on a drive my billion go in Poronon.
Ete you go, you go like in Poronon.
Manual Aquoju.
Mamma, Aquoju. Now, Rachazia, Omeonanko, Menanka. And the Yenny name, nothing happened.
Nothing happened. You can have
and Chigi were busy, Porogon, that's Tigi Piando car, see again.
I said that now, Maria, and Naika book one up because I go very fine. You can have a neighbor.
Oh my God. Go, but do the ya, have your bottle.
Now, actually,
Nenugu State. Gabia that Sunday, Oregon.
Gabia that Sunday.
And on Bible, look about Butesege.
I put them direct and code them
on Sunday. A Butega. Or from where Gabi Sibutia.
From that church.
From that church.
Yes, sir.
Gije Butia Nenugu.
Yes, sir.
On Giwaje Butia.
Yes, sir.
Yay. Mbuje Butia ba organic name.
After one.
After one.
We are bomb. So I work upon a business. But all go to book. One day Nasbon had more. We were bomb. Some Nasmo Kamakara Ropa. The enemy is too much.
Mbagwa zege bia mafa bozege e
so
waluzie na efifia
we bom me ase ka fa potaba osem na oyamuma na ebe ama nkweke apota eburi apota woga
because otu ode oluzie mgbe je onya amatizie bi na
ona eruzi after one ona ebezi akwa sem gbakwukwu ya na ukamaka de ekuzikwa okwu na
ko mgbako ebiazi
we movezie
onya amafuzie ge
segene we jebezie oge ndutaziri njekwu pastor hasim njekwu pastor lutempo ya pastor se na mbia di duru ukamaka ka ijebe Onitsha osemo n'ike agwugo fa obu na onwere ebe ngeju we jebe mu duru
the pastor said he's tired
no nwere ka ha esi ebechago no way so mana ife abrokwa ife na ogwu na ife abukwa ife ekpere so ka nduri ya we say no problem.
And we buria biaba when you carried her to
from
come
Achia na that ministry
Achi from
Enugu State
on Sunday this week.
Yes sir.
E buria bia.
Sir. Last straight there was there.
E bia yi again na eme.
Ozugbo mbatara ebe a.
Ona eti ndị ọcha nyere ga ka e buria bata.
The thing this year was that.
Ozugbo.
Ode gozi ume.
Ọkụ karịa.
Ọkụ this year too much.
Ona eti.
Ozugbo ahi the other side n'iru ya.
Let's see the video when the man of God come on Sunday. Let's see the video. Echo miracle.
Adannem no lost man on of this mass. Na chemeche say ma gba be mo so unu ụmụaka lụrụ m ọfụ. So nwa nwoke nwe ya ọ na-eme. So now na emecha anya ihe 3 days. Enwetazi m onwe m.
Nwa nwoke nwere ebe ọ na-eme.
Azụmanya ma.
Watch your swing. Ọ gbara nkwụ iwe na ya egwu that day.
This woman had a severe heart pain. She has been crying since morning here. But you can see the major prophet has done it again. He has removed that affliction. Woman, stand up and check yourself. Look at the woman. Look at the woman. Look at the woman. Hey! Look at the woman. Look at the woman. Look at the appreciating God. Jesus, our Jesus is able.
Jesus.
That is the power working on her. The power is still on her. That is the touch from the major prophet. We invest the power of resurrection.
Oh,
stand up and appreciate the King of Kings. Look at her. Leave her.
Hey.
Altar direct.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Appreciating Jesus.
Jesus.
Thank you.
Come on, Jesus.
Oh my God. The power is still on her.
This is a tear of joy. This is a tear of joy.
The power is still on her. The liquid metal. That is the King of the universe.
Thank you, Jesus.
The land of freedom, where the hopeless ones achieve their hope. By Jesus, I again with the major prophets.
So I'm Sister Elizabeth. Eze Akonam. I'm onye Anambra na anum n'Imo State. I'm akpuche ọkọ ọgba mam n'ime ọbara Jesus.
Ọbara Jesus one.
Biko na ụmụnne m ejere m ụlọ n'ibe m na-eje. After 3 days, amacha Christmas. Eweludo ha m n'onwe ha na mkpụrụ obi. Dịka ntu na-eti na-ebe jego ọgwụ 2000. Nwa ọgwụ dịka na-echi m bọtụlụ n'obi. So otu aka edu mgbe na-agbagharị mgbe ejisi kesi ya hapụrụ m na o nwere ebe m na-eje ka m bịaba ebe a biko
akpọgụ na aka ga-adị wenizie m.
That is it. Ma obi m a ebe niile akwa ka m bebi ebe a ndị ọcha na-achụ m n'iru oche na-ebe akwa akpọrụsịa m n'aka je edebe m n'iru oche
ije Disemba
m wee sị na ama m ebe m na-eje na mbịa ha n'ebe a nwere onwe m na ụmụ m wee hapụ m wee nataba wee bere akwa wee bịa wee ti vidio nkịta ya afọ ebe m na-ebe akwa.
Yes,
so wee bịa one touch so
one touch everything disappeared.
Everything disappeared.
The poison, everything disappeared.
And the poison disappeared. The thing that hooked you on your heart disappeared immediately. Clap your hands for Jesus. Look at the man.
I don't want to be here before.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to kiss you out here.
Watch your swim.
Before.
Yes.
No katazie na arụzokwu.
Yes, ọ gaba go ọfụma kịta Adam mgbe ọ nata Lagos.
Oh no. So otu ọta God oge mgbe obodo unu na-ejide aka.
Yes.
Na wow. Ndị a na-aṅụrị dị nọ na. Watch ya yo. God has not go to us no. Thank God. Volume now. Obodo nọ na agazi otu a. Thank God.
Watch your swim. That is the action. The man cannot walk before very well. But you can see the action prophet releasing the anointing, the power of resurrections. This is land of freedom.
Power.
The first Monday. Look at the man. Appreciate
Power.
Jesus.
Hey.
Hey. Jesus Aka.
Power.
The pen has gone. Look at the man.
Hey.
He can walk majestically.
Anakudikwa kepa.
Come on, Jesus Aka.
Hey. To Jesus Igbo. Power.
That is the action prophet. Whatever he told you that he can do, he will do it better.
I can walk now.
Look at the confession of the young man. He said he can walk now.
I can walk to God. I don't make with your testimony of Jesus Christ. After I'm defeated, I want you there. Only more to Akweze the nan government area. All na December 22. I'm on office because in Lagos can be. So I'm on a table in office. I'm not gonna akpato you warm. If I akpato you, I will sell them of work bank the paradise. So if I can nothing. I go in your bed na phone. See an arrow at the on I had no na village there back when Makana Fabio Onitsha, Mwa be Lagos. Fan never go village. Or what home 1 year cough and phone. Same monataba, to open out the monataba. So, all can work with Jonas and my work, Papa, Sim Biko, Monataba, I might even here. Anatazia Molusian and Monday. Bo 11 of Columbia Bar. Uzbo, man of God, which I make
11th of this month.
11th of this month. On where different again.
Everything disappeared.
Everything disappeared.
Since that day till today.
Nothing.
Hey. Put hands together for God of
Let's see the video.
For December celebration.
You people, this is how things started. Onya agabakwana with Jimpo. And Onya will be somewhere Neko. I have do it on December. That's my anger. That's why I am not happy at all. We must wipe away all these evil people. remove it and I will return it back to sender.
Power. Wash your swim. This young man came from December celebration from their village, and when they returned back to Onitsha,
have you seen different liquid
for him to come down from
was
the
the prophet
vehicle,
how he used to the walking stick
come down
to do the miracle? Was the prophet using the walking stick to do the miracle, strengthen that leg and that waist again? That is another method.
Or broke a man of God when Mpo but the body young manager Gije. The walking stick you are seeing is the walking stick that the young man used to walk to support him so that he can walk. After he came back from December celebration,
fire.
sit down.
The young man is free. The prophet has declared him free. Look at him searching for the pen. Hey, look at him. Hey, power. Can you see any pen again? Hey,
he's still
walk.
He's still researching.
Look at him.
Hey, oh my God, can you shake your waist like this before? Eh? Can you? Oh my God. Can you twist your waist like this before? Eh? Oh my God. Can you do something for Jesus Christ?
Run. Let us see. Look at him. Hey. Look at him. Look at him. Jesus.
Let's apostle.
That is the King of Kings.
I'm John Okeze. This is my boy state. I cover my testimony with the blood of Jesus.
Blood of Jesus, sir.
So during Christmas celebration, so Alaram village, where Nochana village, so we're large towards back to the city. So tupum by na moto, I'm very healthy. So come by na moto where gagide nozo where what is strange condition. So nime mota so uku we na ebuzi mumbu mbaze driver say na awadro kwam na uku na ebu mbu kita osim na ga wotu nshu we ndoro na moto maybe na me feel comfortable osim sorry say okay we manage that we
elu ba yari to see ele to onwusi
we ba yari to see so kam ri to see the thing na ekwu ezukwem so ha we nyere maka we ri to see we manage that ruo na yard oge nruzi na yard. So the thing bia enjoy. All of my body in short feel is pains all over my body. So muku we reason on Monday. So the thing bia this severe we manage the run on Tuesday. The thing ekwezukwom kanga ije. So mkpo ka njizi we bia ba. So ozugbo rutere eba. We bia fuze so how brother ndị Mike so we level afa we bia anye moche mo na ndị ahụ na adoro I went noro so ozugbo brother biaziri man of God o we sim woke m kezi ke nke iji mkpọ say brother ezigbo ahụ adoro kwa mo o sim ke ife na-eme we kọwara ya ka nsi we je o we ba mba say no ndị ọjọọ anụ nwa nọ na village no ihe a obi adoro ya mma n'ebe ha nọ no ihe a ka ya je ekwu ka mmadụ ga-esi labe nna ya na Christmas we letawa with this condition in short na ihe a na-agwa nkịta na ihe a tiri m na a ga-ewepụ ya wee nye ha chida person na watch ya out so ozugbo ahụ wee soro ya wee shift onwe obere ostu ahụ oshikwu ya ka o si mee since that day wee bụrụ onye nwere onwe m up to now so soro nu nkele Chineke.
So
let's
Adam confused.
There are four. Who is Kenneth?
Anambra.
Who is Shika?
Enugu State.
I say 1, 2, 3, 4 men.
Adam confused.
And you love all of them, okay? And I'm not on Kiyo. Oh. Obagara to go to Jerusalem. There
are four, you are confused. And a maronya kiga popia. And Fanchani in the Qua or Mari Marba.
Yeah, maybe I'm not going to go laugh. I can't boom the aga like Ronya.
And I like Ronyaka. Who is Kenneth?
Where you car, where Anambra?
Who is Sunday?
Where you car, where you stay?
Who is Chica?
Where Anambra? Where Anambra?
Hey! Mother Caponco so no. Onye nke chọsị ka nye gị.
Onye had 5, onye chọrọ ịlụ alụ bụ morph. He had 5, onye chọrọ ịlụ alụ bụ morph ka m chọrọ ịlụ.
Onye?
Morph.
Kwa morph. But the morph are serious. Morph igbugo mmadụ. What did he tell you?
Ihe mere to say the truth. Ọ sị mgbe ihe mere na ọgwa m eziokwu ọlụgo nwaanyị.
Yes.
So nwunye ya wee la.
Yeah.
So ọ sị m ihe mere na o ji like na mbụ Enugu steeti. Mana nwunye ya lụrụ alụ bụ ya Anambra. Na nwunye ya na-esi Igbo. And ọ mụrụ ofu nwa. Ị na-aghọta? So nwa wee chee my condition. Sị ka m lụọ ya na ọ ga-enyere m aka. Ị na-aghọta? So ọ ihe mere.
Oh, condition. Holy Ghost fire condition. Condition can make it more. Tarara.
Actually, maybe. Ọ dịrọ serious. Ọ bịakwa na kaịtị mana ndị ọzọ dị ya serious karịa ya. Ọ dịrọ serious chacha.
All the confused. So you na go off one intervention. I be na kwuru n'elu. Big guy. Mofi nweta nkuji ewupu ga. Kuji ewupu ga. Ụmụ nwoke egburu ụmụ nwanyị egbuo ụmụ nwoke. Ụwanga. I'll give you a husband, okay? Calm down for all these people. Okay? I'll give you a husband. You are a beautiful girl. Tall. Like a Bugatti. I will give you a husband. That's all. Amen. Hallelujah, Jesus.
Praise the Lord. Hallelujah.
Amen.
Hamburg Amaka Ape. Amoye Nsuka. Where's the North local government? October last year. Kada dị kpọ kpọpụta m ebe a. So wee sị mụ Amaka na m dị confused in my life.